Hi guys, I just wanted to make a quick video. I'm in the middle of building a pedal board, which is probably a video that got posted before this. But I need some custom length wires, so I thought I might do a short video on how I recycle broken guitar cable into new patch cables to fit specific lengths. I bought a load of these. They're angled jacks. I bought them off of AliExpress. They're just very simple connectors. You don't need anything too spectacular for this. And then just old cables. 99 times out of 100 when a cable breaks, it's going to be the jack part that is broken. And these, for instance, the one I'm using now is, I think it's the Dario. Yeah, the Dario cable, but it's molded plastic, so you can't actually get in and fix it because, you know, it's molded plastic. It doesn't have a way of opening it, which is a shame because resoldering these kind of connections is pretty easy. But yeah, so measure out the length you want and chop it off, and then cut out the insulation until you expose the wire inside. Just be careful here not to chop into the shield, but it's usually not too hard to figure out what you're doing. And if you lose a bit of the shield, it's not that big of a deal, as long as you have enough to solder to. So take the shield, push it to one side, and you can twist it up so it's easier to control and to solder. And for these smaller shields, I usually use wire strippers. It's just handier. Right, and then connect it to the jack. So the long bit, that's going to be the shield, and this is going to be the tip. So tip shield, tip shield, tip shield. Just try to twist it around where it's connecting, the terminal I guess you'd call it. Just create a kind of what they call a mechanical connection. Just helps ensure that the connection is more solid. And apply a liberal amount of solder. Then most jacks will have this little pinch part that you can use to connect it more solidly to the cable. It's a good idea just to put that down, give it a grip on the cable there, and then just crimp it so that it holds on strongly. Then you're going to want to solder shield on. Now this is not as easy because there's no a hole to plug it through essentially. On this one. Maybe on a type U guy there might be. But yeah, same idea, just apply enough solder to make a good connection. The handy thing about this is if it ever breaks at the jack end, you can just unscrew it and you know how it's put together after building it yourself, so you can fix it. You can buy these solderless cable kits to cut things to exact lengths, which is fair enough, but it's kind of expensive and I'm not sure if I would trust it. I mean, a good solder joint should last for years. If you do it correctly, and you should be able to fix it fairly easily on your own. I suppose if you're afraid to try soldering for yourself, if you've never done it before, it is an easy, convenient solution. I just wouldn't bother. And soldering is not difficult at all. Okay, so that should be okay, I hope. I've kind of melted the plastic a little, you should probably not solder it or not connect the shield clamp, I suppose you'd call it, until after you solder it, but we'll pretend it's okay. It is okay, it'll be fine. The good thing about this is once it's installed on the pedal board, it's not going to move for years really, so it's not going to have much mechanical stress on the joints, so it should be fine. So that's all there is to it. You just do that for each end, measure out the wire correctly, solder it, and away you go, and you have custom patch cables for your board. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and check back for more nonsense from me soon.